Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. What if I told you that the most decisive war in South Asia did not begin with the declaration, did not end with a treaty, and even was not even officially acknowledged by most of the nations? Yet it may have just redrawn the rules of global warfare. For decades, Pakistan believed that it could play a dangerous game. It can provoke India, it can hide behind the nuclear threats and get away with the short wars. As you can see here, the headlines in the news: Beyond the Lines, India's long game to end Pakistan short wars, the port script of Operation Sindoor. Ji haan. So let me tell you that from 1965 to Pulwama, Rawalpindi's generals mastered the art of escape. But one operation, that is Operation Sindoor, that turned the game upside down. And this is not just a story about missiles and military might. It is about how India rewrote the rules of retaliation. India exposed the hypocrisy of global media. India humbled superpowers' weapons and for the first time cracked open Pakistan nuclear bluff, all while the world watched in silence. So from Pahalgam to Kirana Hills, from satellite strikes to economic shock waves, today we take you behind the fog of a war through classified military tactics, real-time satellite intelligence, as well as global diplomatic chess. So stay till the end because the story you have never been told. It might just change how you see the warfare in the 21st century. तो एक बहुत ही अच्छा आर्टिकल आया ये फर्स्ट पोस्ट के न्यूज़पेपर में. So let me show you this article. As you can see here, this article explains Operation Sindoor. ये आर्टिकल किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा है जो न्यूज़पेपर में आया? That is it talks about Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor, an Indian military strike deep into the Pakistan in response to a terrorist attack in Pahalgam, and how India changed the game by launching a full high-tech decisive strike that Pakistan was not expecting. And it also explores the long history of India-Pakistan conflict. So what is the Pakistan pattern? So Pakistan pattern of short wars and how India disrupted this strategy, now we are going to discuss. So these things are mentioned in this news article. So first we are going to discuss the background with respect to Pakistan की ये जो habit है of short wars. So Pakistan's habit of short wars. So let me tell you that Pakistan's strategy for decades, they start a quick conflict, then get some results, and then stop before the things go out of control. For example, there are various examples of past conflicts. सबसे पहला जो बड़ा example है, that is this 1965 war. 1965 war. Now 1965 war with Pakistan. Pakistan planned a short war, backed off when India reached Lahore's outskirts. है ना? As you can see, 1965 when Pakistan lost Lahore to India, हमारे सैनिक पहुंच गए थे लाहौर में, है ना? Then 1971 war, Pakistan again hoped for a limited conflict. Instead, India split the Pakistan and created Bangladesh, which was a huge setback for Pakistan. अब 1980s and 90s के डिकेड्स में, अब आप सभी लोग इस पर्सनालिटी को जानते होंगे, जनरल जियाउल हक अवॉइडेड फुल वॉर बाय लॉन्चिंग low intensity conflicts like terrorism in Punjab and Kashmir. Because of him, terrorism in Punjab and Kashmir. Okay? Because when Pakistan lost a third war against India in 1971, then Pakistan opted for indirect strategy called as insurgency है ना, एंड सेशनिस्ट मूवमेंट, इंसर्जेंसी एंड टेररिज्म, दो चीजें पाकिस्तान ने 1971 के बाद से शुरू की। टेररिज्म पंजाब रीजन खालिस्तान मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ, इंसर्जेंसी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एरिया, है ना, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्सनैलिटी जनरल जियाउल हक, है ना, so he started the low intensity conflict against India like terrorism in Punjab as well as Kashmir. Now this became the 1,000 cuts policy bleed that India slowly without a full war because of him only, है ना. So India mostly responded diplomatically or defensively. Now Pakistan cover. अब इसी के बाद क्या हुआ? After becoming a nuclear state in 1998, Pakistan believed that India would not retaliate harshly because of the nuclear threat, है ना. बट तो अब पाकिस्तान को लगा कि अब इंडिया हार्शली तो हमारे खिलाफ रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि अब हमारे पास भी न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स है ना. तो एक चीज आ गई न्यूक्लियर थ्रेट. तो अब अगर हम इसी के बाद से देखें, व्हाट इज द पैटर्न ऑफ टेरर अटैक्स आफ्टर 1999. सो 1999 के बाद से किस तरीके से जो पैटर्न है टेरर अटैक्स के चेंज हो गए. लेट मी टेल यू दैट पाकिस्तान हैज यूज्ड आईएसआई. पाकिस्तान यूज्ड द आईएसआई एज वेल एज टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स लाइक लश्कर-ए-तैयबा, Jaish-e-Mohammed, these terrorist groups. Pakistan has used terrorist groups like Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba to carry out the attacks on India. And there are various examples. कौन-कौन से examples हैं? Most important attack like 26/11 Mumbai attack. Then Pulwama, Pathankot, Nagrod. These are some important terrorist attacks. So 26/11 Mumbai attack सभी को पता है, पठानकोट अटैक ऑफ 2016, पुलवामा 2019, then Nagrota अटैक, है ना. These things. So इंडिया ने बहुत सारे एविडेंस भी दिए. इंडिया हैज सेंट एविडेंस लाइक डीएनए सैंपल्स, dossiers, witnesses to Pakistan, but Pakistan ignored it or mocked it. So in this background, what triggered India that India had to go for Operation Sindoor. तो इंडिया अब ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के लिए क्यों गए, है ना. इंडिया ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर क्यों किया? सो व्हाट ट्रिगर्ड? सो एज यू कैन सी हियर, a terrorist attack in Pahalgam. A terrorist attack in Pahalgam triggered India's retaliation. And this time India did not just strike one or two targets. India launched a massive multi-target and high-tech offensive inside the Pakistan region. है ना? Now, अब इसके बाद क्या हुआ? What did India, or you can say what India did in Operation Sindoor? अब इंडिया ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में क्या किया? What India did in Operation Sindoor? So, first thing is that India killed this terrorist, है ना. इस टेररिस्ट को सभी जानते होंगे. India killed Abdul Rauf Azhar. Abdul Rauf Azhar belongs to Jaish-e-Mohammed. He is a Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist, and he was a brother of Masood Azhar. He was also involved in Daniel Pearl murder. So just like Osama bin Laden was a guest in Pakistan and killed by the United States of America, Azhar was in Pakistan only and taken out by India. Second thing, now this Operation Sindoor shook Pakistan's confidence. It shook Pakistan confidence. Now how it shook Pakistan's confidence? First, Pakistan could not protect its own territory, or you can say its own terrorist assets, है ना. Then their nuclear deterrent did not stop India this time, and this time India hit deep inside in Pakistan. As you can see the images, India hit Pakistani military bases as well as US Chinese weapon systems also. There are various targets like Rafiki, Murid, then Chakla, Rahim Yar Khan, है ना, नूर खान चकला, चूनियान, देन पसरूर, है ना, सियालकोट, इन सभी जगह पर इंडिया ने काफी अच्छे से स्ट्राइक किया एंड इंडिया हैज डिस्ट्रॉयड देयर मिलिट्री बेसेस, एयर बेसेस. क्लियर? नाउ apart from this, India also hit American AWACS. As you can see here, India also hit American AWACS. Apart from this, India also hit Chinese HQ-9 as well as nuclear gateways. So it was a big blow for Pakistan. Now, another important thing here is stayed below nuclear threshold. Kaise? India fought a war without triggering the nuclear conflict, which is a big achievement for India. And then this time India has showcased the you can say India's new weapons. India ने अपने new weapons को काफी ज़्यादा showcase किया, है ना? India used high tech weapons this time, like as you can see here on the screen. India used Scalp missiles, then loitering the kamikaze drones, then Harop drones, then you can say various defense system like Shilka, then Akash missiles, है ना? As you can see, Akash missile system, 25 to 30 kilometer aerial protection. Then Dhanush howitzer, which is called as modern Bofors. Then advanced towed artillery gun system, also D4 anti-drone system. These things are used by India this time, है ना? अब इन सभी चीजों पर ग्लोबल रिएक्शन क्या रहा? तो अब न्यूज़पेपर में क्या दिया हुआ है? रिएक्शन टू इंडियाज रेस्पॉन्स. तो इस पर ग्लोबल मीडिया ने कैसे रेस्पॉन्ड किया? सो लेट मी टेल यू. इनिशियली वेस्टर्न मीडिया एंड सम विद पाकिस्तानी लिंक्स, दे पब्लिश्ड अ फॉल्स रिपोर्ट, है ना? एज यू कैन सी हियर, दे पब्लिश्ड इनकरेक्ट वर्जन्स. Clear? They published a false report suggesting that India failed. But then satellite images showed the massive damage inside the Pakistan. And there are various neutral global experts, है ना? अब बहुत सारे neutral global experts हैं. As you can see their names, like Tom Cooper, John Spencer, all these. So neutral global experts like Tom Cooper, Bruce Riedel, John Spencer, then Satoru Nagao, Jennifer Zeng, all these. So these global analysts confirmed that India won militarily also as well as strategically also. Okay. Now some American media, they try to protect Pakistan's image, but images from the Maxar Technologies confirmed India's success. Ki India succeeded in this operation. Now what is the domestic drama which is going on in Pakistan? अब पाकिस्तान में domestic drama क्या चल रहा है? So let me tell you that the Pakistani army seemed caught off guard. Like the Air Force, Pakistani Air Force, which is led by the Air Chief Marshal Babar Sidhu. Now Babar Sidhu, who claimed the credit for the defense. He claimed credit for defense. है ना? Babar Sidhu, as you can see his image here, है ना? बाबर सिद्धू, पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स हेड. ओके. नाउ अब इससे क्या हो गया है? राइवलरी शुरू हो गई. दिस लेड टू दी स्ट्रेंज राइवलरी बिटवीन पाकिस्तानी आर्मी एज वेल एज पाकिस्तानी एयरफोर्स, है ना? राइवलरी शुरू हो गई. नाउ टू रीगेन द रेपुटेशन, आर्मी चीफ आसिम मुनीर वाज मेड फील्ड मार्शल. इसीलिए इनको फील्ड मार्शल बनाया गया. अ मूव विच इज वाइडली मॉक्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज द आफ्टरमैथ? द लॉन्ग गेम, माइंड एंड मैटर. जी हां. सो आफ्टरमैथ, इफ यू सी इंडियाज लॉन्ग गेम, सो अब इंडिया के जो डिफेंस स्टॉक थे, सो इंडियाज डिफेंस स्टॉक सर्ज अप टू 39%. एंड कंट्रीज लाइक फिलीपींस, इंडोनेशिया, एज यू कैन सी हियर, countries like Philippines, Indonesia, then Vietnam, UAE, Saudi Arabia, they have showed interest in Indian weapons like BrahMos. And then China's Chengdu aircraft got more orders from Pakistan. So US weapons like F-35, है ना? यूएस का जो वेपन है लाइक F-35, it saw the declining interest. Like, and apart from this, Lockheed Martin stock also fell. So India's joint political as well as military leadership, it worked effectively. समझ में आ रहा है? Apart from this, Indian political leaders like Shashi Tharoor, है ना, Jay Panda, Shrikant Shinde, Ravi Shankar Prasad, as you can see here, these leaders, they convinced the world about India's case. And even Colombia, which initially criticized India, later changed its stance. What was the final blow? So the final blow, if you see, the nuclear myth, जी हाँ, nuclear myth shattered. अब कैसे? So according to Tom Cooper, India's hit Kirana Hills, where Pakistan stored nuclear weapon, making them undeployable. As you can see this, it was there in the news also, है ना? So India hit in Kirana Hills, where Pakistan stored its nuclear weapons, making them undeployable. And with this, India has sent a clear message that future conflicts will be very costly for Pakistan. Okay. So overall, if you see, so Pakistan's strategy for quick wars and deniable attack is no longer working with India. Through Operation Sindoor has already showcased that India can hit back hard, fast, as well as deep inside Pakistan. Now India can do so without triggering a nuclear war, because India has modern homegrown military power. And most importantly, India has changed the rules of the game now. Now Pakistan will think twice before trying to provoke another short war. Okay, तो इंडिया ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में पाकिस्तान को बहुत बुरी तरीके से इकोनॉमिकली, मिलिटरली, स्ट्रेटेजिक वे में, पॉलिटिकली हिट किया है. So they called it a short war, but India made it a long memory for them. And Operation Sindoor was not just India's retaliation. It was a message. Message of what? It was a message encoded in missiles and satellites. So the age of shadow wars is over now. The cost of terrorism will now be measured in the military wreckage as well as economic aftershocks. So what about Pakistan nuclear shield? India penetrated there. What about Western narratives? Shattered. And India's defense doctrine evolved. So what began as yet another terrorist provocation ended with the dismantling of air bases, exposure of falsehoods, as well as a rare unity in Indian politics. इस ऑपरेशन में इंडिया के ऑपोजिशन लीडर्स ने भी इंडिया की गवर्नमेंट का खूब अच्छे से साथ दिया है ना? It was a rare unity in Indian politics, military, as well as diplomacy. Even the world silent observers were forced to shift, and as Pakistan's field marshal memes rose on social media, India's homemade weapons like Akash missiles, Scalp missiles, as well as kamikaze drones, these things made the headlines in defense exposed across the world. So this was not just about the revenge, it was about the changing the cost benefit equation of war itself. So here is the real question. Is the world finally waking up to a new kind of warfare where truth flies faster than jets and diplomacy follows data from the sky? So if this video blew your mind, then like this video, share this video and comment what shocked you the most. And do not forget to subscribe for more untold stories where geopolitics meets battlefield innovation. Because this is not just a news, this is a new world being built and one operation at a time. So thank you so much.